Alright, welcome back. Went ahead and got the gears swapped out on the YouTube infraction, so it is geared up now. That was a long, painful process. I did do a video on it, but I didn't post it because it's just way too long. But I do have bigger pinions in here, a smaller spur. The spur is back to 34 now, but I just got my side plates. So these are supposed to go in here, one here, and one on that side for body locking. So I'm gonna get to doing that. I wonder if it's better if I just do it towards the edge. Maybe if I slide all this towards the edge. I don't think so. So my MIP bits. So that one's gonna fit right there. I wonder if this little strip comes off. It took about 2 weeks from the time I ordered these to get them in. So there's the little strip. I'm assuming that comes off. Maybe not. Nah, that's gonna have to go back on because the rigidity is just not there. So from the looks of it, these are tapered, so they look like they're just gonna go over this. Yeah, that fits much better, nice and flush. So we got one side down. I'm gonna try to slide you guys over. Hopefully it's catching what I'm doing. I don't think I've ever taken off these bolts. I usually just take off the whole bracket along with the battery tray. So I'll stick one bolt back on this. I know the groove that's cut in it for the body goes up. So a really easy install when the person machining the parts is doing a good job. So these fit right on. Now these are made here. These are not from Brazil. This is not the Brazil guys one. I have a hard time anytime I can buy something local and made here is what I'd rather do. This poor RC's been taking a beating lately. All the sick burnouts, everything going on. Now this chassis was all scratched up. That's what all these patches are. When I bought it, it had some gouges in the bottom of it, so I just went ahead and did that. So I'm gonna get the batteries installed. These I do double stack on each side. Making sure that oh, that sucks. My balance port cables are underneath, so they're not getting hammered. These batteries barely fit in here. God, my phone's going crazy right now. Non-stop texting. So do that as tight as possible. These will go this way. God, this RC is just getting heavier and heavier. Can you hear my phone? Just non-stop beeping. They don't send one text, they send one word at a time, and then it just trickles. It keeps going and going and going. Just a group chat. Should stick these balance wires under here. If not, they could get damaged like I've already had once. It popped out and got cut off on a crash. There we go. So the bottom one will go to this. Get stuffed in there. That's the bottom one. Goes to that. Gets stuffed in there. And then I'll hook up those two right before the run. My shrink tubing's coming off of that one. Now let me grab the body and see how well it locks in. Still gotta adjust the suspension, all this weight. So this side of the body kind of locks in. This side of the body doesn't lock in at all. So I don't know if I have to lower the body down. But that's the look. But at least the air's covered underneath and it's not going to lift the body anymore. Can't lower the body down because the wheel's already ballooned and hit. But there we go, guys. That modification is now done to the YouTube twin motor infraction. So as you see, the body locks right into that groove, is what it's supposed to do, to keep it from flapping and keep air from going underneath. So now it's looking like that. So there we go, YouTube infraction. Batteries are all in, everything's on. I'm thinking about popping the smaller wing on this thing just to get some weight off the back. But yep, there we go, YouTube infraction. Thanks for watching, guys.